Tinctures are one of the most effective and long-lasting ways to extract and preserve medicinal properties from herbs. The solvent used in tincture making, typically alcohol, plays a crucial role in determining which constituents are extracted and how potent the final product will be. Not all plant compounds dissolve equally in alcohol, and different percentages are needed to optimize the extraction of various medicinal components. Understanding how alcohol strength affects herbal extraction can help ensure that the most beneficial plant constituents are successfully captured in tinctures. This video will explain the importance of different alcohol concentrations, how they interact with specific plant compounds, and provides examples of herbs best extracted at each level. And of course, as always, this video is for educational purposes only. Alcohol as a solvent in herbal medicine. Alcohol is an excellent solvent for extracting a wide range of medicinal constituents from plants, including alkaloids, glycosides, resins, volatile oils, and some water-soluble compounds. It also acts as a preservative, ensuring a tincture's long shelf life. The percentage of alcohol used influences which components are extracted most efficiently. Alcohol content is usually measured in terms of percentage by volume, ABV. Commonly used alcohols include vodka, brandy, Everclear, and grain alcohol, with concentrations ranging from 20% to 95%. Each percentage range is suited to specific types of plants and their active compounds. Breakdown of alcohol percentages and their uses: 2 to 25% alcohol. Low alcohol content. Best for delicate, water-soluble herbs. Best for fresh, high water content herbs, mucilaginous and delicate flowers. Examples: lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla, mullein, Verbascum thapsus. Key constituents: extracted, water-soluble compounds such as flavonoids, polysaccharides, and some glycosides. Low-alcohol tinctures are ideal for herbs rich in mucilage and delicate compounds that degrade in high alcohol concentrations. However, these tinctures have a shorter shelf life and may require refrigeration. Mullein, for example, contains mucilage beneficial for respiratory health, but using high alcohol content can degrade these soothing compounds. 40 to 50% alcohol. Moderate strength, best for most general tinctures. Best for a wide variety of roots, leaves, and flowers. Examples: Echinacea, Echinacea purpura, St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum, dandelion, Taraxacum officinale. Key constituents extracted: alkaloids, some glycosides, tannins, volatile oils. Most herbalists use a 40–50% alcohol solution for general tincturing because it effectively extracts a balance of both water and alcohol-soluble compounds. St. John's wort, for instance, contains hypericin, a key compound requiring moderate alcohol levels for effective extraction. 60–70% alcohol. Higher strength. Best for tough, resinous, or woody herbs. Best for hard roots, barks, and resins. Examples: myrrh, Commiphora myrrha, ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, chaga, Inonotus obliquus. Key constituents extracted: resins, some alkaloids, lignans, and tannins. Hard roots and barks often contain tough cellular structures that require a higher alcohol percentage to break down. For example, myrrh is rich in resinous compounds that dissolve well in a 60–70% alcohol solution, making this concentration ideal for capturing its potent antimicrobial properties. 80–95% alcohol. Highest strength, best for resins, alkaloids, and capsaicinoids. Best for high resin, high alkaloid, and capsaicin-rich plants. Examples: cayenne, Capsicum annuum, osha root, Ligusticum porteri, cava cava, Piper methisticum. Key constituents: extracted, capsaicinoids, alkaloids, resins, and some volatile oils. Some medicinal compounds require very high alcohol content to be effectively extracted. Capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne pepper, is poorly soluble in water, but dissolves well in 80–95% alcohol. Similarly, kava-kava's lactones are best extracted with high-proof alcohol to maximize their sedative and muscle relaxant properties. Special cases, dual extractions and adjustments. Some herbs benefit from a dual extraction process, combining both water and high alcohol extraction to obtain the full spectrum of constituents. Examples include reishi mushroom, Ganoderma lucidum, a combination of hot water decoction for polysaccharides and alcohol tincture for triterpenes is needed. Chaga mushroom, Inonotus obliquus, a two-step extraction ensures both betulinic acid, alcohol-soluble, and polysaccharides, water-soluble, are captured. Choosing the correct alcohol percentage for tincture making is essential to ensure the most effective extraction of medicinal constituents. While low-alcohol solutions preserve water-soluble compounds, higher concentrations are required for resins, alkaloids, and capsaicinoids. By understanding how alcohol interacts with different plant constituents, herbalists can create potent, well-balanced tinctures tailored to specific medicinal needs. Whether crafting a mild chamomile extract or a potent capsaicin tincture, selecting the right alcohol percentage ensures that you are making the most of your herbal medicine. With this knowledge, you can optimize your extractions and confidently prepare tinctures that capture the full healing potential of each plant.